Your website is the key to your success with enrolling continuing education learners. Most continuing ed learners find their next course by visiting a college or university website. But when the website is difficult to navigate, or if the course catalog is not easy to find, the visitor may leave. Then, the time, effort, and investment made to prompt the website visit are wasted. Over the years, Mindedge has served millions of learners and worked with hundreds of college and university continuing education departments. In that time, we've seen that successful websites have a lot in common. First, offerings should be easy to find on the main page of your website. Ideally, a list of course offerings is no more than 3 clicks away from the main navigation bar. There are several common click patterns we see from our partners. The first, used by 44% of our partners, is 3 clicks. First to an introduction page, then to a category page, and finally to a course catalog. Another popular pattern used by 41% of our partners includes just 2 clicks. First to an introduction page, then to a course catalog. Finally, 15% of our partners have a direct link on their homepage to a course listing, so users are only 1 click away from enrolling in their first course. In addition to being easy to find, the continuing education main page should be well organized. It's easiest for learners if offerings are sorted by categories, topics, or course types, rather than by third-party provider. 50% of our partners organize courses by topic, course category, or course name, while 30% organize courses by course delivery type, like self-paced, hybrid, or instructor-led. It's also helpful for continuing education homepages to have search functions and filters to help learners find specific courses and enroll in them easily. 100% of our partners have search functions and real-time registration on their websites. 10% of our partners also offer advanced search features with filtering by course topic, delivery method, and schedule, as well as enrollment support via chat or live support team. The most effective websites also have course enrollment and e-commerce connected to individual course descriptions, making it as seamless as possible for learners to search for their next course and enroll immediately. Successful continuing education websites use common, clear terminology to describe their offerings and departments. More than 60% of our partners identify their offerings and departments with terms that learners quickly recognize. Popular terms include continuing education, continuing studies, graduate and professional education, non-credit programs, non-degree programs, professional development programs, and professional education. Finally, our most successful continuing education partners offer course content branded for their college or university, rather than using the third-party course provider's branding. 80% of our partners label courses with their institution's name and branding. You're only 5 steps away from a successful continuing education website. Remember that the most effective continuing education websites share these traits. 1. The course catalog is 3 or fewer clicks from the homepage. 2. Course offerings are well organized by topic, category, or course name. 3. It's easy to find and enroll in courses, and customer support is user-friendly. 4. The name of the continuing education department is easy to recognize. And 5. Continuing education courses use college or university branding.